The rectangular array area model uses a rectangle with known area and known side length to find the missing side length by decomposing the rectangle into sections. So it's really important for this to present it to students in context. So for example, one of your alignment lessons has a problem that you start out with, and the problem is that Mrs. Jordan bought 4 new pencil boxes. She has 260 pencils. She wants to put the pencils in the boxes so that each box has the same number of pencils. How many pencils will there be in each box? So the way I would explain that to students is I'm going to draw a picture to help me make sense of the problem. So I'm going to draw a rectangle and I'm going to write my dividend inside, and then I'm going to write the divisor or the factor that I know on the outside. So I start out that way. And then I think about what number times 4 would give me an answer close to 260 without going over. I know that 60 times 4 is 240, so 60 gives me an answer close to 260 without going over. So I'm going to write the 60 above the rectangle, and then I'm going to multiply 60 times 4 and write the product, 240, underneath the 260 inside the rectangle. Then I'm going to subtract 240 from 260 and write the difference, which is 20, below the rectangle. And I still have this 20 that I need to take care of because I've only dealt with part of the dividend, the 240. So in order to do that, I need to continue by expanding my rectangle to the right of the first section. Then I'm going to write the 20 that I still want to work with in that section. Then I think about what number times 4 is going to give me an answer close to 20 without going over. I know that 5 times 4 is 20, so I'm going to write 5 above that section of the rectangle. I'm going to multiply 5 times 4 and write the product under the 20 inside the rectangle. Then I subtract 20 minus 20 and I write the difference, which is 0, below that section. So since the difference in the last rectangle is 0, it's actually less than my divisor, I know that I'm finished with my work inside the rectangle. So then I need to find my total quotient because I just have 2 partial quotients here. So I'm going to add those together, and I know that 60 plus 5 is 65. So my answer to the problem, 260 divided by 4, is 65. So the question about how many pencils will there be in each box, there will be 65 pencils in each box.